gamers, welcome back to another Devlog video of my unnamed game. In the last episode, we created a simple pause menu and restart menu, and we upgraded some explosion effects and created new explosion effects. In this episode, I started by adjusting some camera settings. For camera, I am using Cinemission, which is a free package provided by Unity. It is very easy to set up third-person camera controller using Cinemission. If you wanna learn more about this, go and check out the video description. I will provide some links for this. I created a new blend tree for player running animation, which blends between walking and running animations. This makes the player run smoothly. And also I increased player speed a little bit. For some reason, while player shooting doesn't look good. Because in real life, if a person shoots with the gun, the bullet move forward and some opposite force will push you back. For every action, there will be an equal and opposite reaction, which is a Newton's first, second law, whatever. But the point is the recoil force. But I don't know how to do that for the player. So I decided to add recoil to the camera, which gives similar impression. I achieved this effect by using Cinemission Impulse. For this, I created an impulse curves which makes to move camera in a given duration. And we're gonna call this function by using these few lines. Currently, there is only one pistol in my game. I already modeled AK-47, but never put this into game. So this is the time to introduce this into game. For this, I have already a custom gun script which helps us to create various guns. Then by setting up everything, we have this gun. Then I created a gun pickup controller script which helps us to equip and drop the gun by pressing E. I also created this UI in Photoshop and exported as PNG into game. By doing some magic, we have this, which shows if gun is near to the player. Then I made a weapon switching. For this, I used Brackeys weapon switching tutorial and tweak few things to adjust my game. If you wanna watch Brackeys tutorial, I will provide link in the video description. By scrolling mouse button, you can switch weapons. Sound design make a key role for video games. Even we can make the games by using only music like best.I. You can use music as main mechanism for game or for background. But the point is, music makes the game much better. So I downloaded some sounds from internet. And I downloaded this nature sound for background music. For implement these sounds, we just need to drag sound effects into this box and name it whatever you want. And by using these lines, you can play the sound whenever we want. Present, I place enemies everywhere in the game, but I want to make spawn enemies randomly. So I created a script which spawn enemies for every 10 seconds. And also I stop spawning enemies if there are already more in the game. By using this, we can make more difficulty over time. I also make some changes to drone. So before it just moved toward the player. Now also it just moved toward the player, but it's just push up if there is any ground under it. After setting all these things, this is some gameplay. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.